How to fix Snapchat not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time. And restart phone. After restart, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so you will check your Snapchat app is update. So if it not update, so go to app library and click on app store and search Snapchat. Snapchat. You will see my Snapchat is latest version. So go back. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so uninstall Snapchat app and again install app from app store. After installing, you will check your problem is solved, but it doesn't solve. So click on settings app, scroll down, click on general, scroll down to end. Now here click on reset all setting, enter phone passcode and click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After restarting, go back to home screen. And so that's how you can fix Snapchat not working in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.